What up, guys? We're back with this car. I think the last video we saw of this thing was us absolutely f***ing up my roof. We blew it. We were in a panic state. We're like, what are we gonna do? We're gonna wrap this, make it go away, because we're like, how do we fix this? We have calmed down significantly, and we want to take another stab at this. And how are we gonna do that? We're gonna rattle can it. Justin actually is familiar with painting.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I have never painted before, ever. Like I just haven't done it. So he is going to teach me, and I'm gonna show you how, if you are a noob and you pick up a can and do the best job that you possibly can with only instructions and no hands, this is kind of what it's gonna turn out like. So let's get this car up, start to prep it, and see what kind of damage we can do.
All right, so the materials we got today, we have a sander, sandpaper for the sander, then we have to get our hands dirty. We got a sanding block, some lighter sandpaper to take out the big boy scratches, and then what do we got for paint?
And for paint, we got a big turbo can of Rust-Oleum. Gloss black, you know, after the surface is prepped, this should have a really wide spray pattern, and we'll just, you know, spray the roof. Should be fine. Just totally average paint for the average job. We'll see. All right, so what's first, Justin?
First thing we need to do is sand that.
Okay.
And we're gonna use that.
Cool, yeah. Even pressure?
Even pressure, smooth, act like you're rubbing your favorite person's back, and enjoy the ride.
All right.
And
we forgot Matt, so.
Yeah, keep your lungs safe. Use the finest Harbor Freight microfiber towels you got, purple or green. Okay, so now we're just gonna soak things down, get it cleaned off, and then start the wet sanding. I think we got a good foundation.
Good decent start, right?
Yeah. Cool it off because it is probably 110 plus degrees on this roof.
Yes. Yeah, as they say, I think it's all in the prep work. The better prep job you do, hopefully the better paint job will get done. So just wet sanding away, and then we'll switch to a smoother grit,
And that'll be it.
and then it should be pretty much ready. Whew, I missed the sander. Sore shoulder, but got this thing all wet sanded. We hit it with a 400 and then an 800 after hitting it with the tool. So silky smooth to the touch, actually. We went along the edges, got any shiny spots, anything like that. So now, if I'm understanding Justin correctly, we'll just, we can mask off the edges, you know, just create the surface here. So we're only painting what we want to paint, and then we'll start giving it the business. Mask off your area. Okay, it's a little hot out here, but I think it's gonna be fine. Shaking up our average size can of paint. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know, you know.
You don't know what you don't know.
I don't know what I don't know.
Yeah.
What I know, and Justin hopefully will give us a little bit more insight, is you want to start spraying before you're over the surface. You don't want to like start on the surface and move across. You want to like,
Ooh, I can do a pro tip.
oh,
That's been a minute.
Justin's pro.
Yeah, with my hand. Yeah, so typically you want to start a little bit before the spot that you're gonna paint and then go a little bit past. And this is spray paint, but it has like a feathering. So you want to do like a 50% layer. So you don't want to just do like one and then go all the way to the edge and do another one. You want them to overlap. And normally you want to do like a light base coat. And then once that flashes, then you'll just go a little bit heavier and do however many it takes to do full coverage. And that's about it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll do that. The surface of this panel is easily 120, but it said we can go to 210, so we're fine. It's still very cold.
Yeah, we'll see. We see the heat coming off of this thing. Hopefully it's okay.
Yeah.
It can't be worse than it was when it started.
Yeah,
That's the best part.
even this looks better already.
Yeah, this is 100 times better, like just sanded down than it was when we started this episode. So we're already making progress. We're gonna do the best we can with this. Worst case, we go back to our original plan from the end of last video and we just vinyl wrap it.
Yep.
But you know, like yeah, this is a $1,500 car. We're trying to just like have the most fun on the smallest budget with stuff like this.
And learn.
Yes, and learn. So we're learning stuff. We're giving this car a new lease on life and hopefully leaving it better than we found it. And we're having fun. Like, yeah, you do not need $50,000 cars and $10,000 worth of aftermarket parts to have fun. This is like, yeah, this is what the bros is all about.
All right, so for most people, just putting on the paint might be good enough. It looks fine. This is a gloss black, so it will dry to that, but since we do live in the desert, we want to try and have this paint last longer than like a month. So we are also going to add an enamel clear coat. Clear coat is a little bit more finicky than base. It is dirty. It requires you to go slower. It requires you to be closer, and it's just a mess. So this is where you're going to get your runs, but our plan is to at least have enough clear coat so that way we can sand it back down, polish it like you saw in the last video, but it not turn out like a chalkboard.
Yeah.
So that's going to be our next step, and then hopefully this will be a wrap.
Yes. Yep. I know I said at the beginning of the video that we are, it's like, it's going to be a total noob show. Like we did, it's turning out really, really well, and we're in the desert, so it's going to bake. So I'm going to tag in the guy to do this, to do the clear, but we're going to, he's going to show you, like with this, he's going to show you what it looks like and everything. So
and it still is. Everything here is from Home Depot.
Yes.
So, I mean, it's, you can get the materials, and this was under $50, so
yes,
it's fine.
Yeah. So instead of having me totally go weird about it, we're like, yes, and this is how it'll look if you're gonna do the clear step, which is optional.
Yep. That's it.
Okay, guys, roof is painted and cleared. We got to let this stuff dry for a bit, like tack in, set, like be done, and then we're gonna go over it again. We're gonna do a really light sanding on it, polish it like we wanted to the first time, where we actually have enough paint and clear to be able to come down on it and give it that glossy finish shine. So the next time you'll see us, that's what we're going to be doing. But yeah, we're just going to unmask it, let it finish drying, and then yeah, the next time you see us, it's on to the last stage in this process. But if you guys like what you're seeing so far, and hey, you know, think we're doing okay, hit the like. If yeah, you're really liking us, you know, hit that subscribe. You know, we're cruising for 1,000. We're trying to get there. We feel it. We feel like we're close. We're almost there. But yeah, let's jump to, I don't know, 4 days later, 5 days later, who knows? And it's like a week later, and we're back, and we've let this cook. We've let it dry, tack up, stick, whatever it's got to do. We don't know, or I don't know, but Justin knows, and he's gonna walk me through the rest of it. So I think what we have to do now is just spray this off. We're gonna wet sand it one more time, do like a 1,000 grit pass, a 2,000 grit pass, and then we'll give it the last bit of polish, and then that's just how good this is gonna be. So we're gonna find out together here very shortly what the final product on our spray can escapade looks. But yeah, let's get started or get finished. And okay, guys, sorry the car's a little filthy from all the polish, but we have now repolished it, resanded, repolished. This is the final product.
That's a little bit of a reflection. I can kind of see
Right?
the tree.
Is it perfect? Absolutely not.
No.
No. But is it better? 1,000% yes. I will take this any day of the week over what I did to it in the last episode. Like, just period. And this is my very first time holding a can of spray paint. Like, so, you know, I did have, you know, I had the guiding hands of Mr. J back there, but I am proud of this. I'm proud of this, and I turn it over to you, dear YouTube, to judge the crap out of me. So with that, yeah, please like, subscribe. Let us know what we're doing. Let us know what else you want to see. You know, like yeah, back to Toyotas, more Z. Do you want more BMW? Let us know. You know, but yeah, we'll catch you next time.